The Vermeer T655 Commander 3 pipeline trencher is built for tough jobs. Whether you're cutting through rock or trenching in soft soils, the T655III offers versatility with optional attachments. The bucket wheel attachment increases productivity in soft soils for small diameter pipeline installations, while the Rockwheel attachment is perfect for rock, highway lighting, and fiber installation projects. Designed for power and efficiency, this machine adapts to any terrain to meet your job requirements.